Alright, we've made it to the loaded lines. I just want to say before I play this, I feel like my loaded lines are a little worse than they should be. Let's save them though. Okay. This I think I did that in the game just before this, but this is where it actually makes sense. You could always just not go for this for Silver Rocket here, but I always like to get Silver Rocket into circulation because I feel like it's very important. So this is where I usually waste Striker, but do note that this does make it more fragile than it ought to be, and you can also get to a bigger board if you just play all the extenders here. Like if you just went for Rocket Caliber here, or something else, you'd probably be in a better position. But that being said, this line does also get Tracer into circulation easier. I mean, you could technically search Tracer, but I think you still get to the same point. I think that searching Silver Rocket is still good, but this line is a little bit fragile. So just be careful when you're doing this sort of stuff. I also wanted to show Caliber. Like, Caliber's good, just like, you know, it just summons itself for free. It's a free extender. Both of these cards are extenders, and it's very helpful for when you've already used up your normal summon and you just need another card to get you going. So I will say the primary issue with what just happened is that we took Silver Rocket out of the graveyard, which means that we're not going to get an end phase search or summon of a rocket. So just keep that in mind, although we do get a full board. So yeah, you win some, you lose some.